Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to show you how to gain access to your chemistry course and different ways that you can look at the material. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is to log into your MyLambton account. So I've already logged in before, therefore my computer remembers everything. So if you need to pause the video, please do so and log in. Okay, so once you get to your MyLambton page, you're going to go to D2L. And then you're going to click on the course that you're enrolled in. So I have a couple extra ones on here just because I've taught these courses a few times, but what you want to do is you want to click on the one that you are currently registered in. So that would be 2020W in this case. And this will bring you to your home page. So the nice thing about D2L is there are different segments on the home page. So here is going to be a news bar, so if anything important comes up, Janice will be posting things there. If you scroll down, you're actually going to find your visual table of contents. So this is where you can click your tracking sheet to make sure you know different things that you're expected to do. You can also get a printable periodic table of elements. When you're wanting your course material, you're going to click on the unit that you're working in. So we're going to click on Unit 1. And that brings us up to here. So these two documents at the beginning are the course material that you would normally find in the modules in the classroom. So if you click on, for example, Chem Unit 1, this is the essentially the textbook of what you would be using. And one thing you want to notice is that there's actually two different scroll bars. So there's the scroll bar here, but then there's also the inside scroll bar that will actually allow you to move through the document. Now you can view this document online, or the other option is if you go to the other scroll bar here, you can actually download this file straight to your computer. So after you've downloaded it, you can either open the file itself, in which case it might put you back into online, or if you can have Adobe, then you can actually open it up with Adobe, and that might allow you to, highlight things on here, that type of thing. The other option that you have is once you've downloaded it, you can actually print it. So if you open it, it'll bring you to either Adobe or into the internet, and you can actually hit the print icon right there. So that will allow you to have a hard copy of it, and then you can make notes and things like that on it. The other part that you need is the workbook. So this is the lesson guide that you would normally find in here, but you also want to make sure that you're accessing the workbook, because that gives you different questions that you can try to make sure that you're understanding the different concepts that you've read. So same idea, you're going to click on the link here. It'll take you to the workbook. You have multiple scroll bars, so you can scroll on the outside, or you can scroll within the document to see it. You can download the file, open it up, and print it off on your computer. The other thing that you'll find in the course material is, just give me a second here. The other thing you'll find in course material is some videos to help, because sometimes it's nice to have different modes of communication. So you'll have the written modules that you already, you would have been able to access in the classroom, as well as some of the videos that Janice has selected that she felt they did a very good job of explaining different concepts. So you can go through, and if you want to know how to count atoms, there's a video here to go along with the lesson guide. So in summary, your main material is at the top, and you're going to have a lesson guide and a workbook, and then there's some supplementary videos that you can find if you click on the links below. Hope that helps.